Unit 31, Part B, Activity 2A. Lynn and two of her classmates are competing in a school competition. What are the topics or subjects of the 3 rounds?
Welcome to our annual school competition. Each year, we have a friendly competition between classes of different grades about general knowledge from various subjects. Today, our 2 amazing grade 8 classes will join us. Give it up for Team A from Class 8A, Lynn, Brad, and Sammy. And now, give it up for Team B from Class 8B, Diana, Rose, and John. Thank you. Both teams look lovely and ready. First, I'd like to introduce the rules. We will have 3 rounds. The screen will show 3 questions about one subject at each round. Each team is given a board to write answers on. Once you hear the bell, you can start writing the answers down. When you finish, you must hit the bell in front of you. The team that hits their bell first, and with more correct answers, gets a point. The team that wins today will move forward to the next stage of the competition. Are we clear?
Yes.
Right, here we go. Remember, you can only start writing when you hear the bell. The subject of round 1 is science. Show the questions, please. Team A has pressed their bell. Let's take a look at your answers. Can you read them, please?
Question 1. Which planet is closest to the sun? We had Mercury. Number 2. Who developed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. And 3. What can travel faster than sound waves? We say light waves.
So, let's see if Team A got everything correct. Show the answers, please. Yes! Congratulations, Team A! You've scored a point. Okay, now, are we ready for round 2? The subject is geography. Show the questions. Team B has already pressed the bell. Team B, tell us your answers, please.
Question 1. Which country has the biggest land area? We said Russia. And 2. What's the smallest continent? Oceania. And last question. How many countries in Asia does the Mekong River flow through? The answer is 6 countries.
And the answers are correct! Congratulations, Team B! And now, on to our last round. It's going to be about one important discovery in history. Here we go. Oh, we've heard the bell, and it's from Team A. Let's hear from them.
Number 1. Who discovered penicillin? Dr. Fleming. Number 2. When did he or she discover it? Our answer is 1928. And for the last question, since when has penicillin become widely available? Since 1945?
Thank you, Team A. Let's see if Team A can score the point and win. So, here we go. Show the correct answers, please. Yes! Congratulations, Team A from Class 8A! You've scored another point and win today's competition. Great job to both teams, and congratulations again, Team A, for moving forward to the next stage of the competition.